Hi there everyone, my name is Tony Gergis and I'm a robotics and software engineer here at Devonics Automation, and today I'm just going to be giving us a little demo, a little walkthrough of how to use the Fairino software interface. So to begin with, we're going to open a Chrome browser, and on one of our tabs we'll enter in the URL section 192.168.58.2, and it'll prompt us for username and password. It's going to be username is going to be admin and the password will be 123. And then here we can see the initial interface of the robot. We can see our live view of the robot, and you can even see the different joints: joint 1, joint 2, joint 3, joint 4, joint 5, and joint 6. And here on the left you can manipulate those joint values, and you can see in this live video the robot actually moving in real time as I press these buttons. I can also go to the multi-joint, and this is where I can change multiple joints at once. I can, using this little robot here, I can manipulate it exactly to look so it looks exactly as I want it. And when I press this apply button, you can see the robot begins moving to exactly how I set it to. Next is this base tab, and here you can move things along the X, Y, or Z axes relative to the base, as well as rotate along those axes. You can see right now the robot is increasing its X, maintaining a straight line at the end of the gripper. Yeah, here's a better angle of it so that way you can see it maintain that X. Just like that. And the tool is going to be similar to the base, except it's going to be relative to the TCP, or the tool center point. And you can see if I drop that down, it's going to go straight down out of that tool. So up here is going to be our control bar. This is going to be our enable button, play button, stop button, and your pause and play button. And this is going to be your status bar. It'll tell you things like the status of the robot, the speed, the state, and about other alarms. Here on the left, we have the menu bar with 5 options. The first option is initialize settings, containing the robot settings and the peripheral configurations. Next is the teaching pages, where you'll program the robot, and you have a few ways of doing that with the program teaching, graphing teaching, the node graph, and here you can manage all the points you set. In the status, you can see the system log as well as the status queries. Give me just a moment while it reconnects, excuse me. Sorry about that, but as I was saying though, this is going to be the status, where you'll find your status query interface, and in the auxiliary dropdown, you'll have your robot body, robot safety, as well as all your welding programs here. And lastly in here, this is going to be your system settings. If you have any questions or anything like that, feel free to leave a comment or reach out to us at Devonics Automation. We'd be happy to help. Have a wonderful day.